If the fingerprint sensor present on this screen of your Samsung phone is not working after update, or if it is not working randomly, then let us see how to fix the issue. Now when you are using the fingerprint, make sure to press your thumb with little bit force on the home screen so that fingerprint sensor will work. The other thing is, if you have used a new screen protector, remove the screen protector and check if it is the problem of the screen protector or not. The other thing that you can do is, you can go to settings here, scroll down, and you have to go to this option, security and privacy. Go to biometrics, go to fingerprints, enter the pin that you use to unlock your phone, and then go to fingerprint. This is the fingerprint that you had registered before. What you do is, remove this fingerprint and then remove. Now again, select add fingerprint, select continue, and then select register. Now you have to use your fingerprint again. Make sure to lift your finger and then again press on this sensor here. So once it is 100%, select done. Now when you have registered a new fingerprint, try to check if this fingerprint will work or not. The other thing that you can do is, you can go to settings here, then you can go to display, scroll down, and there is an option touch sensitivity. Make sure to enable it so that your fingerprint can work even though you use a screen protector on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.